Yeah, assalamu alaikum everyone. It's been years I didn't give a giveaway. 15 USDT and a 1 month private entries up for grab. To participate, drop a heart to this post and you are going to get results by 10th of March. All you have to do, click on the top right of the video, enter Discord, go to the giveaway booth and just click on this heart, and then you are going to participate as well. Back into the Pepe. Here you are. Now Pepe is actually making a tremendous failure. You have fail number 1, failure number 2 here, and it's pretty much still a concerning situation, because if you are not going to break above that channel itself, you're not going to see Pepe moving all the way to the upside. I've seen quite a few altcoins that are participating quite well at the moment, and they're breaking above and also pushing up. Now one more thing is that you have a double resistance here. If you notice, this is your first resistance where you push down, and then again that also acted as the resistance. Not only that, but you also have the first resistance, the second one, the third one as well. And then when you pumped up here, that also pretty much came from that resistance from the top and this resistance right over here. Now if you break above it, how good is that going to be, right? How good is that going to be? I think it's important for Pepe to come to 1308. If you do see Pepe moving up to 1308, I think that's going to be a pretty successful break above, and you can see something like this go up here, come down for this retest like this, and you can move up, number 1, to the upper part of that resistance. Number 2 is to take this pattern top to bottom, and you can see that this is the next technical target. So pretty much you may expect a 1622, because that's another place of that resistance here, right over there. Okay, now if you're going to fail, this is all if you do break above and come up to 1308. If you do see something like that, expect this to move up there. Now if you're not going to do that, and if you come down, take this hammer away, then the channel may continue to rain down. That means that the next target of the channel is basically down to 646, because that's where you have your support, and it makes sense to come down to that lower part of the channel for another support. What is it going to be? Let's see. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.